Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning how to deal with regrets. Most of us have certain things in our life that we would like or we wish that it will change and we can see different. And so whatever regret you may have in life, I want to let you know that you can change your reality and you can do it consciously. As a matter of fact, you can bend reality to your will once you understand energy, vibration, and frequency. For example, if you're familiar with the work of Neville Goddard, you would realize when he had regrets about the girl he would have married and he wanted to change that marriage into a more happier and fulfilled marriage, he did an imaginal act because he saw the girl that he would have liked to share his life with. And so when it comes to the law of revision, you can definitely revise your life, which means you can definitely bend reality to your will. You can change anything that you want to change in your life. And the reason for that is because time is not real. There is only now. So, for example, if you had a bad day, you had an argument, you had some thing that you would have faced, whether a day ago or a week ago or a month ago, and you have a desire that it should have gone a certain way instead of the way thing would have gone, you can go into your imagination night after night as you're about to go to bed or the first thing in the morning, and you can revise that scene. You see, life is just like a movie, and it is basically a dream. And the thing about a movie, it has a director and a producer, and it has the star in the movie. Well, you're all of that. Okay? You're even the author. So you can rewrite a script. So you can rewrite your life, whichever way you want it to be, using the law of revision. All you have to do is revise it to how you would have liked it to be. For example, I remember I had a disagreement with someone very close to me. As a matter of fact, it was my mother. And she lives in another country. And she's the kind of person that will never apologize to anyone. And I used the law of revision and uh, had her apologize to me. Okay, without she even know it. And it was long after I actually told her what I did because I was really trying to teach her how to manifest and so on. But to cut a long story short, this whole law of revision is to show you that you have power over the things that you face in life because you are the cause and the things you face that they are the effect. So if you understand that, you'll understand that you're the Lord and Master of your destiny because it is your own thought that is creating your reality and creating your personality. That is why you're told that as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. As you think in the invisible world, so shall it be in the visible three-dimensional world of matter, this physical world. So my brothers and my sisters, go within yourself and change whatever scene, change whatever script that you do not like. So if you should take anything away from this video, it would be that you can change the script. And that is why you're told not to be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing. That renewing of your mind is a rearranging of your mind. It is you rewriting the script. It is you changing the script. It is you being willing to unlearn, relearn, and reprogram your subconscious mind. So, as I said earlier, everything is in the now. You can go back and change it. Things happen in your life and make you sad. You can go back in your life and wish it was different and get that kind of outcome in your life and make you feel better, make you feel happier, make you feel more accomplished, and give you joy, peace, and happiness to know that you can bend reality to your will, to know that you have that power. Just knowing that you have that power will make you more and more happier concerning life. Because when you discover the power of imagination and you realize that imagination is God in man, and you start to use that God power, you realize that you have the ability to achieve your every desire. So you can fix all of your regrets. You can fix all of your mistakes because they were not even mistakes. They were just lessons to teach you. Okay? So my brother and my sister, use everything as a lesson to learn, to grow, and to expand, and to come to the best version of yourself. So, with that being said, my brother and my sisters, do not live your life in regret. Do not live your life as a victim, but live life as one who have overcome. Because you come to know who you are. And you realize that your real identity is your divinity. And you know that you can create your life whichever way you want it to be. Because the Creator lives within you. And you realize that everything have to do with the human psyche. The things you say, the things you do, it's all mental, it's all psychological. So you realize that if you're willing to fix your mind, then you'll be able to fix your life. And you'll never live life in regret. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, if it really makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And I'll also encourage you to get my latest book, which is called The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth. It's all about the Immaculate Conception and how you can conceive and bring forth the ideal life that you so desire. Also, I definitely encourage you to get Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, plus all my other books and journals. And also for those who have been following me, you know, I want to continue to produce more content, and I want to let you know that at least from the end of this month, I'll be providing you with much more content. So stay tuned and remember to have that notification on. So whenever I upload, you would be, you would know, okay, that I've uploaded, okay? So let us grow together. Also, if you have not become a part of my Patreon community, I'll definitely encourage you to do so. However, for those who are willing to donate $20 or more, I have a course there for you that is called The Inner Sound Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So if you feel strong and led to do so, I can only encourage you to remember to always follow your intuition. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.